Sairam students, this is your drawing period and today I am going to teach you how to draw birds and its shading. So let us start. Draw a circle. It is rough drawing first. Draw a circle and draw a mango shape. See like this. It is very easy bird. Okay. Draw that mango shape and draw a curve line for its stomach, okay, and join that line and it draw a tail, okay, slanting, draw beak, triangular and eye. So your bird is ready, okay, and feathers texture, okay, and draw another bird, another angle, draw oval shape, and in that upper part you draw a circle and beak and join that parts, join that two oval shape and circle, okay. Draw a tail. It is very simple birds, okay, and draw the branches, okay, like this, flowers, leaves, you can draw, leg, okay. It is very easy, you can draw it easily, okay. After that, see like this, bird is ready. Bird shading, okay. 5th 6th standard students will do with crayons color, same procedure, okay, and 7th 8th with watercolor. It is very easy. After that, take a cobalt blue and flat brush and fill the up to down, dark to light, okay, with the water. Leave that bird place, okay. Next, take another blue, it is ultramarine blue, and start coloring, fill that part first, and then with the water you can do shading. You can use tube color, another color, okay, pencil color for the birds only, and shade it properly. Applying first dark side, so after that with the water I am doing shading dark to light, okay. Take here you take round brush, okay. The tail also dark to light. My left side I am doing light part and right side dark part. With the water, take water and spread it, okay. Spread neatly. 5 6 student you can do with crayons. If you do with watercolor, you can do with watercolor, no problem, but you feel hard, so you can do crayons only. Only that 5th 6th part 5th 6th students, no 7th 8th students, okay. Do the shading and do that lines, feathers texture. Suppose it is dry, so take color and spread it. Take thick color and do the lines. Okay, here also, this time also. Okay, now the next bird, take blue color and fill it properly. I am taking here blue and yellow color, so you can use any two colors. Suppose orange, yellow, then blue and other color you can use. Okay, children, but shading should be like this. Spread it with water. If you listen properly, so you will be easy for the shading. So I am taking here lemon yellow. Okay, and feel that part. Here also lemon yellow, from my left side, light to dark. After that I am taking ochre yellow for the shading, for the lemon yellow shading. I am taking after that ochre yellow, see, and fill that gap and merge it. Merge only edges there. Don't mix all two colors. Okay, see, merge only edges. Here also merge it properly. Ochre yellow. Okay, now it look beautiful and realistic. Okay, children, merge the edges with water. Don't take color that time. Okay, take white color, fresh white, and do that light part. It is shine part. Okay, and do the lines only, like this lines, feather texture. Okay, here also it is very simple if you understand properly. Okay, after that wash your brush and then spread it white color, little spread only edges. Okay, then fresh white and do again shine part. See, it is look beautiful. Shading should be neat and properly. Okay. Here also take fresh white, children. Here also merge it. After that, take a ochre yellow for the shading. Then merge it. Little part you merge that. Then take blue color. It is Persian blue for the darkness. Okay, Persian blue. In that background I am using cobalt blue, and for the bird I am using ultramarine blue, and now I am use Persian blue. It is darkest color. Okay, so it will look beautiful. Every part you should show there 3 shades: light, middle tone and dark tone. So white part, white color for light tone, then middle and Persian blue dark tone. For the beak I am using here black color. Okay, and for the shine white color, line only, fresh white. See, like this shining. Okay, after that I take black color and do the circle only, little circle here also. And for the eyeball or shine, you take small brush and take a white color on that tip and do a little spot for eye. See, like this. Okay, it will look good, beautiful. After that take brown color. Okay, and do the leg. Here also just only, it is front side, and the first is side part, bird side. Okay, now the branches. I am taking brown, a little you can use olive green or green, mix it and fill that branches. Here also, see, like this. After that I am taking white color in the middle brush and do like this only for the flowers. Okay, only tip that part like this, fresh white. You can fill here pink, orange as you like. It is up to you. Do more attractive. Okay. Flowers and after that leaves. Same technique. Here the simple technique for the flowers. I am using red color, little red color, and for the spreading I am use another brush and spread it. See, it will look beautiful. Okay, spread like this. All the part. You can use orange, violet. It will look beautiful, children. Then another red color, magenta color you can use. I am using crimson red. Okay, do it properly. And with the another brush I am spreading it, not same brush, so it will look dark color. Okay, then middle part, little red color. Okay, now take fresh red and fill that part in middle part and do more attractive, children. See, like this leaves you can do. Take olive green and do like this. It is very simple method and easy method for the leaves. Okay, when gap is there you can draw any creeper branches. Okay, it will look beautiful. See, there is a big gap, so I can draw here more flowers or like this. I have green color brush, so it is looking another technique. See, half half. Okay, like bunch. Okay, you can create another technique, children. While you are doing coloring, you get interest. Okay, see, here also in middle red color. Okay, like this. See, I'm using here uh, brown color, so it will look realistic. Okay, see, like this after drying. Okay, and I'm in light part I'm doing little outline with the blue color. See, upside for the light part, white part, little spread it. Okay, see the bird shading, it will look beautiful, children. Okay, do practice. Okay, and do it properly, children. You can do another birds, another flowers, another leaves. Okay, bird shading. So enjoy your drawing. Okay, complete it. Bye.